write the routing table, we have defined this. We have several examples here, and of course, we also defined examples on our manual for your reference. Then you can simply type directly the rules, then click save. So I have to show some example of the routing rules here. So example of the routing call routing. So here, example is FXS port dial an external number, then the gateway will send the call to the IPPBX through the IP port. So the flow would be like this. You should to make a call, then go to the external IP, then go to IPPBX, then the routing table should have the source as FXS. So this is the number, any number, then route, then to the routing destination. So this is the IP address of the IPPBX to 220.248.118.53 with the signaling port of 5060. More example on the call routing, if I want to have the FXO port dial 6 to use FXO to make an external call, then, however, you need to remove the prefix 6 before making an external call. So this is the call flow. You can simply example dial 6 and this is the number. Then you need to change the number, means you need to remove the 6 prefix 6, so the PSTN number should go out to the FXO port. So the routing table should be like this. So we need to transform. So this is the source FXS. This is the number 6. You need to remove. This is the transformation method. Remove. I have mentioned you can keep, you can remove, you can add, replace. So in this example, if you want to remove the prefix 6 before making an external call, so you need to use the transformation method remove 1. This is a 1 digit, so remove the 6. And of course, go to the FXO. So the source is FXS, number 6, route to the routing destination of FXO. Of course, you can also have the source from IP, any number route to FXO. So this is how to make an example of the call routing on RGW. And I think I have one more example to show. Yeah, this is remove the 6. Another example is gateway acts as an IPPBX branch. So local calls on the branch will made to the FXO. All long distance calls are made to the IPPBX. So again, local call starts with 0202 numbers. So make a call, go to the FXO. So you need to remove the 02. And for long distance, you need to use this call number, go to the external IP of the IPPBX. So here is the routing rule. So again, this is the transformation method. So source is FXS 0 to 1. Need to have the transformation remove 3. So we have 0 to 1, remove that one because we only need this digits, 2, 4, 6, 8 digits to go to the FXO. And yeah, the source is from FXS. This is the number 0 to 1, wrote this to FXO. And for any calls from IP, wrote to FXO as well. However, for long distance, starts with 0, this one, so it goes directly to the IP PBX. So we have that route IP 220.248.1.25. So these are example of the call routing, and we have stated this more examples on our RGW manual. Okay. So more on the security configurations. So we can go to security access. Then you need to change the administrator password, and of course you need to click save. Then we have the web access. You need to input the web server port, then click save. So again, we have also the SSH access. If you want to access the SSH, you can simply enable that. You can also set the SSH port, then click save. Then you can change the SSH password, input the root and operator password, and confirm the password. And of course, you need to click save and ping. by default it is black. So if you want to enable that, you can click that to enable and click save. So again, we do highly recommend the administrator to perform, to regularly change the admin password in accessing the web GUI. Of course, root and operator password to access the background of the device through the SSH, and of course change the HTTP, HTTPS, and SSH port for accessing the device. So of course the admin should write all those changes, whatever changes he made to the device. So this is to provide protection and security on the management of the device. Yeah. So here is more on the security configuration of the RGW. If you want to configure the access list, it means that you only want to list the specify the source that are allowed to access the device to the web GUI. So you can simply enable the whitelist function, then you need to click add, then fill in the IP address and select the type of the address, then click save. So I think you can add the whitelist up to 20 list here. And yeah, for the brute force login